this was the surprise, guys. You thought I was just gonna come to New York and check into my Airbnb and call it a night? Nah, we're doing the Meow Meow on a bike. Meow Meow. That's right, guys. Cycling in New York City. Madison Square Park. A lot of cool history here. Like, that building was supposed to be 3 times as tall, but at some point they just ran out of money, so they just had to top it off there. But it was supposed to be one of the tallest in the city to compete with the Flatiron building over there. These 2 glass towers that aren't here when I got here, and they are very expensive, but you can see them from everywhere. Oh yeah, these right here? Yeah. Yeah, you can tell they're like... Rupert Murdoch, a former owner of Fox News, has the top like half of it. Jesus, top half of it. Not just top, but top half of it. Like, quite a few. The Empire State Building's twinkling behind us because the hours are shifting. Oh yeah, shit, yeah. So I decided this is going to be a 2-part series. Coming to New York on the train, and then cycling New York at night. That's what we're doing now. That's right, guys. From cycling in Amsterdam to cycling in New York. Meow meow. Meow 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 meow. Basket. It used to be a really big message to hang on. Okay, you said it was called the basket? Lay basket, yeah. Lay basket. And it was a messenger hangout until somebody in the New York Times wrote about all of these dirty working class people who are having a good time at this hangout on the corner. Oh wow. The next day it got shut down. Cops came, carded everybody. I feel like they arrested a few people. Jesus. And then now they can't sell beer anymore and their outdoor seating got taken away. Wow, that's thanks just... a lot, New York. Yeah, for real. Like, geez. Again, guys, this is part 2 of the New York series. Part 1 is us coming to New York. Part 2 is what you're watching now. Part 3, well, I guess you're gonna have to tune in for that. Now, this is wild, guys. This is wild. Were you guys expecting this? No, you weren't, because it's the Meow Meow. Yeehaw! Meow Meow Meow! The Meow Meow is in town. The Alright guys, we're going up this bike tunnel thing. I'm gonna go across this little bridge. He said it's gonna teleport us to downtown. Alright, we're now going into downtown, guys. We're entering downtown. Downtown New York on the city bike. Hope you guys
are enjoying this once in a lifetime.
I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York.
Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed that little nighttime cycling. Currently didn't really pay attention to my phone because I was so excited to meet my friend. My phone currently is on 1%, I'm not even kidding you, look. It's not trying to focus. My hands are cold. But my phone's on 1%. It's barely finding the actual hotel or hostel, so we're about to be there. Get a little bit of sleep. Tomorrow I'm going to be taking a bus. But I'm going to be staying in New York, so no worries on that. Just where? Well, that's going to be the surprise. So, meow meow, guys.